Hey guys, today tuturo ako kayo kung paano nga ba gagamitin yung isa sa feature ni Google Calendar which is appointment schedule. Ano bang appointment schedule? Si appointment schedule, ito, okay, yung way para, okay, makapag-book ang iyong mga clients or ang inyong mga friends or anyone in the business for an appointment with you. Okay? Dito, you will give them a link, okay, and then they will choose which time or which date kanila pwedeng i-meet, no? And it will be based on your availability, based on your current Google Calendar. So para siyang Calendly. Si Calendly, bayad, medyo mahal, okay? Pero dito kay Google Calendar, mapa-free version man yan, okay, or hindi, libre lang siya, okay? May form at merong pwedeng pay ahead. Pero dito kasi, si Stripe lang ang pwedeng gamitin as mode of payment. Pero, which is something that we don't have it in the Philippines. But, ang pinagkaiba lang ng free at paid is that yung sa free, we can only create one type of page. Okay? Booking page. Pagka yung paid, you can make multiple plus the Stripe plus the yung mga default confirmation emails. Mamaya papakita ka nyo. So, ganito yan, guys, no? What you have to do is in your Google Calendar, click create and then choose appointment schedule. Okay? From here, you will be led to this interface. Okay? First is you set kung ano ang title para saan itong booking link nito. Let's say, um, appointment with Jam or pwedeng strategy call. Pero ito, appointment with Jam, for example, for testing lang naman siya. Pag sinabi mong appointment duration, pipili ka kung gaano katagal yung meeting with you. Is it 15 minutes, 30, 45? Ako usually, okay, pagka quick meetings lang, 30 minutes lang ako. Okay, so makita mo nag-iiba na siya dito. Oh. Ayan, now, dito you will see sa general availability, you get to choose kung tuwing kailan lang sila pwede mag-book sa'yo. For example, ako, you can only book me, okay, from Mondays to Thursdays from 8 p.m., okay, to 12 midnight, okay, or 11 p.m. na lang siguro. So, aalisin ko tong Friday, ayan, pack. Okay, so Mondays to Thursday lang. Sabi ko, 8 p.m., okay, to 11 p.m. Okay, so you repeat the process dito. 8 p.m., 11 p.m. Okay? 8 p.m., 11 p.m. So, ibig sabihin nito guys, no? The only time you can book a call with me through this link is from Mondays to Thursdays from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. See, nag-adjust siya dito. Okay? And then you get to choose kung ano ang time zone. Of course, Philippine Standard Time tayo para same as your current time zone para hindi ka malito. So whenever people from other time zones book for you naman, automatic nag-change naman yung time zone in their end based on their current time zone. So dito may meron kang tawag dito, may choice ka kung gusto mo does not repeat. Okay? Repeat weekly. Kunwari does not repeat, 1 week lang. Okay. Or repeat weekly, every week ba? Tapos you can customize. But ako, repeat weekly kasi it's a routine. No? Now, scheduling window naman tayo. Okay? Okay. So, mine is always, okay, available now. Okay? Kasi you can put a range kung hanggang kailan lang sila pwede mag-book. Okay, kunwari, this is a one-on-one coaching call and it will only run from January to February. So, pwede ka maglagay ng duration. Okay, pero pag available now, ibig sabihin, anytime, basta Monday to Thursday, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, nakalagay dito, maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked is 60 days. Ibig sabihin, may kita lang nila yung availability ng calendar mo in 2 months. Eh ako, gusto ko 1 month lang. Ayan. Minimum time before the appointment start that it can be booked 4 hours before para handa ka. Huwag naman 1 hour before. Okay? Pero ako, I would do like 12 hours before para I can prepare parang the next day na siya. Okay? Now, kasi ayoko yung nabubulaga ako within the day. Kaya 12 hours before. Now, adjusted availability. So for example, ay, pito natin din. For example, hindi ka available ng sa Tuesday, sa 21. Ayan, hindi ka available ng 8 p.m., available ka pang 9 p.m. So, pwede mo ilagay dyan sa January 21, 9 o'clock pa ako available. See? Nagpalit siya. So, hindi nila mabubook yung 8 p.m. mo ng January 21. Or, siguro nakabakasyon ka ng buong January 21, pindutin mo to, unavailable the whole day. Mawawala yung option na mag-book ng January 21. Kung wala naman, edi X mo lang. Ayan, tinan mo, available. So, you can customize that, your availability. Okay? Book appointment setting. Ayan. May buffer time ako, ibig sabihin may palugid. Kunwari, gusto ko may 15 minutes preparation time ako before the next call. So I always do that. Okay. Maximum bookings per day. Kung gusto mo 2 bookings lang or 4 bookings, you can limit it. Okay, pero ako, go lang, i-book mo lang ako, me. 'Di ba? Guests can invite others, yes, pwede. Calendars, okay. Dito naman, okay, kung may mga naka-integrate kang calendar within the Google Calendar mo, you can choose kung saan siya papasok. Pero in this case naman, isa lang naman. So, yun pa rin, Jamblauta. Okay. Then you can choose the color label para may color coding kami. Okay. So, let's say I want it green or basil. Ayan. Next, co-host. May co-host ka ba? Kung wala, kung meron, i-add mo lang yung email. Kung wala, then you don't have to worry about it. Pag nagawa mo na yan, guys, okay, you click next. Okay, now, dito tayo sa booking photo and name. So, may photo and name na ako, which is my profile here sa Google. Okay, you can easily add naman there anytime. Location and conferencing, saan gaganapin? So this particular call is always online. So Google Meet ako. But they can do in person, phone call, not to be specific. Okay, later. So ako naman, Google Meet lang ako always. Description, para saan itong call na to? Okay, so add, ayan, add details of the call here. Period. Okay, you can format, you can add links, up to you. Next is booking form. Ito yung tawag dito. Ito yung parang application form bago sila makapag-book ng call for you para malalaman mo na kung paano mo ihahanda ang iyong meeting. So for example, first name, last name, email address, required na yan, hindi naman tatagal. I can add an item. I can say parang I wanna get your custom item, for example, purpose of meeting, then make it required para hindi sila pwede mag-push ng wala. Okay? Let's add another one. Let's say, ano bang pwedeng ilagay natin dyan? Ilagay natin, what should what should I prepare? Add item. Pak. So, meron na ako yan. Okay? And it's your choice kung gusto mag-require ng email verification or not. Ako, no. Next is payment. You can add Stripe, pero ako wala naman. So, I will just ignore that kasi wala naman Stripe sa Pilipinas. Okay, wala naman GCash na nakalagay dyan, no? And then, booking confirmations and reminders. Ayan, sa premium din ito, guys. So, ito, i-remind lang sila na, hey, you have a call tomorrow. So, pwedeng 1 day, 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 30 minutes before. Ako, I'd say 1 more before, and I can add another one 30 minutes before. para reminded siya within the day and the day before. Ngayon, wala kang ganito kung hindi ka naka-premium. And then, you click save. Makikita mo, andito na yung appointment with Jam na calendar mo. Ayan. So, if you wanna see your booking pages, click mo lang to, see all your booking pages. Lalabas lahat ng booking pages mo in one platform. Okay, now here, pag pinindot mo si appointment with Jam, may kita mo na, andito na. Andito na ang iyong calendar. So you can already share this to them. Nandito yung details. Okay? Andito ni availability, back, ayun na yung form, back, and then they can book. Automatic, you know? Then you can share the link, okay, or you can embed this sa what? Website ng client mo o sa client mo mismo. Or sa'yo pala mismo. That's it for Twitter. That's it for me for today, mga miss. Sana ay may natutunan kang bago sa ating channel na ito. Sana ma-maximize mo ito para hindi ka na magbayad ng Calendly. No, libre lang to. And I'm gonna make new or more videos about tools para matutunan nyo yung mga basics at i-compile ko siya sa isang document maybe. And then I'll share it to everyone. But for now, I'm building it little by little hanggang sa makompleto ko. Thank you guys. Leave a like and subscribe if this helps you. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.